What's your favorite hobby? Reading. The result of this kind of answer in IELTS Speaking Part 1 is simply losing score. In this video, I'm sharing 3 golden techniques with you, so you can boost your score and know how to answer these kind of questions in IELTS Speaking Part 1. Let's get to the first tip. Give complete answer. The examiner wants to see if you're fluent enough in IELTS Speaking Part 1. So don't just say 1 or 2 words answer. Do you like your hometown? Yes. Let's get to the proper answer and see how we should answer in IELTS Speaking. Do you like your hometown? Yes, I really like my hometown because it's full of beautiful places and the people are so friendly. For example, we have a lovely park where I go jogging every morning. In part 1, make your answers subjective. The answers are about you, not general topics, like what you have in speaking part 3. What do you do in your free time? People usually watch TV or read books. This sort of answer is very general, and it is not about you. So let's see how we can better it. Yes. What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I love playing football with my friends at the local park, or sometimes I cook homemade meals for my family. As you see, the answer is personal and clear. In this way, the examiner knows he or she is really talking to you. Tip 3. Use the question words and try to paraphrase the question words as far as you can. This shows your answer is coherent. Tell me about your family. I have 2 brothers. Unfortunately, there is no linking word here and the answer is completely incoherent. Now, let's take a look at the better answer. Tell me about your family. Well, about my family, I live with my parents and 2 brothers in a cozy apartment. My older brother is a doctor, and we often spend evenings playing board games together. Now, see, by repeating the word family, you paraphrase the question word and your answer flows smoothly. Practice these 3 golden techniques as much as you can and try them with different questions in IELTS Speaking Part 1. In this way, you can boost your score and get a higher mark in IELTS Speaking Part. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.